Welcome back to our gardening channel. Today we're excited to showcase some tricolor houseplants that'll bring vibrant colors to your space. Nature's palette is all you need for a lively touch in any room. We have the dazzling Coleus on the top. Picture this: burgundy, cream, and purple doing a happy dance on its leaves, edged with a pop of bright green. It's like a party on a plant. If you're thinking table decor, look no further than the Rex Begonia. It comes in various varieties, each flaunting a trio of hues that'll make your table the talk of the town. Meet the strawberry begonia. These round green leaves adorned in red and cream are like little art pieces. Just hang it in bright indirect light and watch it work its magic. And speaking of magic, who can forget the classic poinsettia? The green, pink, and light pink-white combo is a festive showstopper. Just give it plenty of bright light and you're all set. Let's talk about Joseph's coat or parrot leaf. Pink, green, and magenta, it's a living masterpiece. Just ensure it gets that sweet spot of indirect light with a touch of afternoon shade. Say hello to the philodendron pink princess for a touch of royalty in your space. Glossy green, pink, and stunning white variegation. It's like having creative decor right in your living room. Finally, we have Begonia persei, which has textured leaves featuring shades of green, black, and cream. It's a tricolor dream that will catch everyone's attention. If you love these tricolor wonders, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more green goodness. Until next video, happy gardening!